Another high-precision vertical tube expansion machine has been perfectly commissioned and is ready for shipment, officially exporting to the Middle East with reliable and stable performance. With years of expertise in heat exchanger equipment, we deliver proven solutions to major factories worldwide. We specialize in overcoming core production hurdles, including tube expansion precision, consistency issues, capacity limits, and product leakage. With stable and robust equipment performance, we continuously help customers significantly improve production efficiency, increase product yield rates, and reduce production costs. Going global with craftsmanship, we continue to win the trust and recognition of high-end global customers with hardcore Chinese equipment.